Hi, I'm Nathan Guffey with Guffey Systems, and we're going to discuss the cleaning of our products. The stationary rail is the most important item that you want to keep clean. Before each use at our shop, we'll blow the rail out for any loose dust. You will get a little bit of overspray on the rail from time to time, but it's nothing that really affects it. We've sprayed thousands of doors on our system and rarely actually give it a really good cleaning. But with that said, if you want to keep your rail clean, blow it out before each use. Up on the inside is likely where you would get most of the overspray. For that, I actually cover the inside on the back side of the rail with tape, and once it gets caked up, we'll peel that tape out. The outside of the rail or the underneath, you can take a rag of thinner or acetone. You can wipe down the rail on the sides and the bottom just to keep it looking good and clean. The spray hubs, they're likely gonna have some paint on them as well. Like I said, I've used my system for 4.5 years now, and I've actually never wiped the spray hubs down, and they work as good as day one. But again, if you want to be able to keep your spray hubs good and clean, you can wipe them down with thinner. The T-Bars, spring clips, offsets, and universals, we've taken those before and put them into a bucket of lacquer thinner or acetone. Once it soaks for a little while, it cleans up really nice. As far as the hangers go that have captured screws, those are gonna have some overspray on them. You can back those out and put them in thinner, or you can replace those screws with new ones and it's as good as new. The little bit of paint buildup on the hangers is nothing that's gonna affect the overall use of the system. To learn more about Guffey Systems, you can visit us at guffeysystems.com or give us a call.